What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's just Dhillon here, and in this video I have Balraj with me.
Hey guys.
So in this video we're going to be talking about the two biggest strategies on how you guys can get started into wholesaling with zero money down. You really liked the last video that I did with Balraj, which was discussing about wholesaling. So if you're interested in this topic, stay tuned throughout the whole video because this video is going to be jam-packed with information. So don't skip this video and let's get into it. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I answer all the questions that you guys leave me. All right, Balraj, let's get it started. First of all, if you guys don't know what wholesaling is, I've done my last video with Balraj where we only discussed what is wholesaling and some intricacies about wholesaling. So go watch that video. I'll link it up over here. So in this video, Balraj, we're going to talk about the two biggest strategies that he used to get those $10,000 plus per month. Okay, Balraj, so what is the first marketing strategy that they can implement with zero money down?
Okay guys, so one of the marketing strategies which I used was through Kijiji advertising.
Okay, Kijiji advertising. So how can they go about to advertise through Kijiji to get those wholesale deals?
So what you have to do is you have to create a free account on Kijiji.
Okay.
And you have to post an ad saying that we buy houses for cash, and you have to put your number down there.
Okay,
that is it.
Okay, so basically, if you guys don't have a Kijiji account, which I doubt that you don't if you're in Canada, but go out there, go make that Kijiji account, just sign up with your email, and then what is the next step?
And make a poster, maybe use a Canva or like those apps, and make a big poster and put your number there, and also say we buy houses for cash.
Yeah, so basically how you can get that photo is you can just easily go to Google, type in we buy houses, and then you'll see a lot of photos, right? So you can just take that photo and use it on Canva. I'll put it over here, and then on top of Canva you can just put your number, right, Balraj?
That's perfect. And quick tip, guys, every day, every morning, delete that ad and repost it again, because there's a lot of competition in the market and I don't want you guys to lose those deals.
Okay, so once they posted that ad, you're saying that every day just delete the ad from their account and repost it again,
right? Yeah.
Okay.
And then you just wait for the calls.
Before those calls arrive, another quick tip for you guys to succeed in this wholesaling business is to change your voicemail that you guys have currently. So go ahead, change your voicemail to something in the terms of hello, my name is X. I'm a professional real estate investor. I buy houses in as-is condition, and I'll definitely love to buy your house. Sorry you couldn't get a hold of me. So just leave your name and detail in the voicemail, and I'll definitely get back to you. So this something around those terms. Definitely leave it in your voicemail. So if they cannot get a hold of you, definitely they can leave a message so you can contact them back. Okay guys, so now the next question that you might be thinking right now is, now we have set up the Kijiji ad, we have it there, we have the number over there, we have put that we're a local real estate investor looking to buy properties in as-is condition. What do we do now that once we get the call? So how do we answer that call? Now let's say a seller calls you. So the seller would say something in the lines of, hello X, I saw your ad on Kijiji. I want to sell my property. Are you interested in buying it? So how you reply to that is, thank you very much for the call, Mr. John, let's say. Then what you would do is you would note down their address. You would note down the property, what kind of property it is. So is it a bungalow? Is it a duplex? What kind of property style it is, right, Balraj? And then you would ask them that what is on the phone. You would want them to give you what kind of price are they looking to sell that property for. So then you know if this would make sense for you or not based on the numbers, right? So once you have that kind of idea roughly, then the next step you would want to do, Balraj, is you would want to set up an appointment to go and take a look at the property, right? Yeah. Would you agree, Balraj?
Totally agree with that, man. All right guys, so we just talked about the first strategy, and we talked about how you can market for the leads, and secondly we talked about how you can set up a professional voicemail, and thirdly we talked about how you can talk to the seller.
Exactly. So now we're going to talk about the second biggest marketing strategies to get wholesale deals with Balraj is
and that is direct mail marketing. And by far, this strategy has brought us results, insane results.
Insane results. So now let's get into it. What is it? How you guys can start and how you guys can get those same kind of results of making over $10,000 a month, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Balraj, so by far direct marketing was our biggest strategy, and also for yourself, right?
Yeah.
So direct mail marketing, guys, is a strategy where you just take a blank piece of paper and you write something in the lines of, hello, I'm a real estate investor, I buy houses cash in as is condition, right? So, right, Balraj, it's something along those lines, right?
Yes, sir.
So once you have that letter, all you need is a blank piece of paper and a pen. You write something along those lines of what I just said, and then you just make a lot of copies. So I would say 500, 600, even 1,000 copies. So now that you have those 1,000 copies or 500, whatever kind of number that you guys are comfortable with, now the biggest step is identifying a neighborhood where the properties are not in as good as a condition, right? So this is where driving for dollar comes in, right?
Yes.
You need to, in the city that you guys live in, identify a particular neighborhood that's the neighborhood that you want to target, right? Once you identify the neighborhood, what you do with the direct mail marketing strategy is identify houses that need some work from the exterior, right? Maybe the roof is not in great condition. Maybe the exterior is not in great condition. Maybe it has a lot of garbage outside the house. So then you drive in those streets and you know the street name and the street number in a blank sheet of paper like we used to do, Balraj.
Yes.
Right? So then when you get home, you know that in this particular neighborhood, in this particular street, these are the houses that I'm gonna target.
So once you have identified those houses, what you do is you go out there and you take those letters which you wrote, which you have made the photocopies, and you drop them in the mailboxes.
Exactly. This is where those 500, 600, whatever kind of amount that you guys have, those amount of letters come in handy. And now that, as Balraj is saying, that now that you have identified those houses, you just go there, drop into the house and take the letter and leave it in the mailbox. Right, Balraj?
Yeah, and then you just wait for the call.
Now the process is exactly the same as the Kijiji advertising, the first strategy that we were talking about, right? We have dropped the letter in their house, they have it in the mailbox, and if anyone is interested in selling, like if the seller or the seller's relatives, anyone is interested in selling, they will give you a call. And now the process is the same, exactly the same as in Kijiji advertising. They'll call you, you take that call, and then basically you take down their details, their name, what type of home it is that they're calling from. Is it a bungalow? Is it a duplex? Is it a triplex? What kind of state is the house in? What kind of renovations does it need? What kind of price are they looking to sell it for? So you take all those details, and then the main thing is you make an appointment with them to go and view the property. All right, you guys. So now the last part of the whole wholesaling process is exactly the same for either if you're doing the Kijiji advertising or you're doing direct mail marketing, which is actually putting the property under contract and the negotiation with the seller, right? So how you put the property under contract is every province has an offer to purchase, which is available for free to anyone online, right? So any real estate board, you can go there online and access it, whether it is Ontario, Manitoba, you can access that offer to purchase, and then all you want to do is put that property under contract, right? Once you have that property under contract, obviously before putting that property under contract, you have to negotiate the price. So negotiation, Balraj, you would say it's a
crucial step to close the deal.
Exactly, because if the property is worth $300,000 fixed up, but the seller is asking $280,000, even though the property is not in great condition, you don't have that margin to make money, right? So negotiation is key in this process. So negotiate with the seller of the property for a great price. Once you have that property under contract, now you need to have a buyer's list. A buyer's list is any real estate investor that's actually looking to buy property to either flip it or to keep it as a rental. So all you do is you take that contract and you assign it to the prospective buyer, right? That's the whole process, right?
That's the whole process.
Alright you guys, so that was the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. It was jam-packed with information, with valuable information, because I want you guys to succeed in the wholesaling business. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I answer all the questions that you guys leave me, and I would love to help you out. So until next time, make sure before I let you go to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot to grow this channel. And until next time, see you guys.